Once upon a time, a great Japanese warrior named Nobunaga was going to war with a fierce enemy with only 1/10 the number of men the opposition commanded. He knew that he could win the fight with a well-planned strategy, but his soldiers were in doubt. On the way, the leader stopped at a Shinto shrine and told his men, "After my visit to the shrine, I will toss a coin. If the head comes, we will win. If tails, we will lose. Destiny holds us in her hand." Nobunaga entered the shrine and offered his prayers. Then he came forth and tossed a coin in front of his men. Heads appeared. The soldiers were filled with confidence and were eager to win the battle. And yes, they did win the battle. After the battle was over, one of his attendants told, "No one can change the hand of destiny." Nobunaga calmly said, "Indeed not," and showed the coin, which was doubled with heads on both the sides. The moral of the story: the only person you are destined to become is the person you decide to be.